Here we have a little hack here that we would like to go over. So the hack is just we would like to define a function, a user defined function, and in this function we want to add a few numbers. Even though we can attain this with just a line of code, but I would like us to do it this way, so that we can just learn a few things. So we can call this function def add numbers. And so we need to pass in an argument. We need to pass in a parameter. We can call these numbers. So we pass in an iterable object into this function. So what we want to do again is to initialize a variable called total. So in this variable, we initialize it to a value 0. And then we just want to iterate through our numbers objects. So for num in numbers, we would like to iterate through this object, and then we want to pick up those variables, those nums in these numbers, and then we want to do something with it. So we just want to increment this by the ith element or the number, as you can see, and then we return this variable total. And we just call this function. So when we call this function, we now pass the iterable list, the object that we want to add its numbers, its elements, and this is the object that we have. So when we print this, we get that our function is working the way we want it. As you can see, if we add more numbers in here, so 6 plus 8 is gonna be 14, and you see our function is working the way we want it. Thank you once more for watching this tutorial. I'll see you in the next